Use case automated production bidirectional. Our use case automated production bidirectional builds on top of use case automated production. In this use case, with the start of a shop floor control, we send data and values directly to the machine. This means we are able to write directly into the PLC from our SAP DMC. We can send, for example, specific operation or material-based information or values to the machine and so alter or trigger a certain behavior. So what are some real-world examples for this application? The controller can adapt the production process based on the now known materials or choose a certain routing for different materials. Another example, the value received by the controller could be a serial number that is then printed onto the parts. And since this use case works bidirectional, any process data sent from the Force edge could also include this metadata. So a certain temperature can be then mapped to a specific order and material. Now let's have a quick look on how this works in practice. For this example, we have a Siemens S7-300 natively connected to Force Edge. Over the Edge API, data is sent to the SAP DMC where the signals are further processed. So now let's switch to SAP DMC. In our production operator dashboard, we have a button called Send to Machine. This button is configured to send the values for order and material description for the selected SFC to Force Edge and so to the connected machine. So when we hit this button, an event is triggered sending these two values over the API. For our example, we take material description FC MAT SC Station 1. To verify the correct data was received, we switch to the Force Edge API. We use the Swagger UI to generate our request and display the information. We select the Get Business parameter and click on Try it out. We enter our machine UUID and our corresponding parameter name called material number and hit execute. If we look at the response for the material number, we can see the exact same value we just sent from the operator dashboard in the SAP DMC. So what are the additional values of our use case automated production bidirectional? Enrich the production process with top floor data. Control the production process on machine level. Integrate business applications to the shop floor and integrate partner systems. And this concludes our use case automated production bidirectional.